01 or 01 Studio cell comes with these yellow panels installed, and there's nothing wrong with them. Like, as far as Unicron goes, it's a giant planet. I'm sure there could be yellow sections, and the I don't know. It looks fine, basically. And every review I saw up to me buying it showed that you could replace them, that they do come off, and that you could get a blue one. But I've never ever seen anyone do it because everyone's like, oh, it would ruin the robot mode, so I'm not doing it. Plus the pin and stuff, and yeah, the pin. But I did it, and I kind of wanted to show off the look because I cannot find anyone that actually has done it and is showing off what it looks like. So that's what your 01 Studio cell could look like with the blue panels instead of the yellow. And I really do wish they were just as easy as these two, because these two pop right off on a peg. They just, like, I could do it right now. You just get in there and they just come right off, and you can replace them with the yellow ones. The blue ones, however, or they're both blue, the shoulder panels are, you have to get a screwdriver, and when it's open, jam it in this hole and like really get it out. Like, you have to walk it out because there's no way to get in behind it and push it out. It's such a pain in the butt. But once you get it done, man, that planet mode really just, it just really cleans up, I gotta say. I understand why people don't want to do it and they just want to leave it like this, partly because of the challenge of getting this peg out, and then also because of robot mode and how much it changes, and I'll get to that in the review and whatnot. But I just wanted to show off what the blue panels look like when they're transformed or when they're part swapped.